What if I told you that YouTube is already showing you exactly what people are searching for, and you're probably ignoring it? Today, I'll show you a simple method to find powerful keywords using YouTube search itself. No tools, no cost, just smart strategy. If you want more views, better ranking, and faster channel growth, keywords are everything. But most beginners make one big mistake: they guess. Instead, let's use what YouTube already gives us. Go to YouTube and start typing anything related to your topic. Don't press enter yet. Look at the suggestions that appear. These are not random, they are real searches made by real people. That means each suggestion is a keyword with demand. For example, if you type history of, you might see history of Rome, history of coffee, history of Islam, history of World War II. Each one is a potential video idea. Now here's the secret most people don't use. Add more words. Instead of typing history, type history of Rome in. Now you get more specific results like history of Rome in 10 minutes, history of Rome in English, history of Rome in short. These are called long-tail keywords. They are less competitive and easier to rank. Here's a powerful trick. Type your keyword, then add a space and a letter. For example, history of A, history of B, history of C. Each letter gives you new keyword ideas. This method alone can generate dozens of video topics in minutes. Now click on one keyword. Look at the videos. Ask yourself, are views high? Are titles simple? Can I make something better? If yes, you found a strong keyword. Section 5 bonus tip: look at the first 3 videos. Check their titles, descriptions, and tags. They already did the research for you. Learn from them, then improve. Now you know how to find powerful keywords using YouTube search alone. No paid tools, no complicated steps. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more growth tips. And tell me in the comments, what niche are you targeting?